Very heavy rainfall and very intense lightning. Back to you.
Okay. All right, thanks. Yep, and again, back to radar real quick, please. And so right now, just also, we're looking to the north with some severe weather for you guys, but the tornado warning, and let's zoom back in here, Station, on this storm. And we're going to take a closer look right from where JD is located. And so this would be from East Central High School and then extending just south and west of Catoosa. So this is where it is located. Some of the power flashes could be associated with these strong winds coming in out of the southwest. These are very strong, damaging winds, 50, 60, maybe 70 miles an hour. He is in the circulation notch of it right now. So there could be some widespread power outages, and there could be a few small spin-ups right across the Tulsa area on the east side at this particular moment. And this is an area that is concerning because what this does on the radar, it gives us a high indication that there is a problem going on and that there is a good chance of circulation right in this zone. And this is where a higher probability, and again, we've mentioned East Central High School, but that goes along 244. And if you're north or south of 244, you have to be aware because this notch is very indicative of a potential for a tornado. Observe tornado now. Okay. JD, can you see it? Right now, east side of town, 244.
I'm in it.
You got it?
Yeah, I must be real close to it. I'm getting hit with really strong winds around and around right here.
Okay. So it's right on 244.
Yeah, keep watching. I'm getting hit with real strong winds.
Exactly where I'm at.
Right on 244, tornado warning, east side of town. If you're near Catoosa, you need to go to a place of safety right now or any place on 244. If you're up to 21st Street North, 21st Street South, that's the zone we're most concerned with. JD's right in the middle.
Do I need to keep traveling east there, Sawyer, or what?
Yeah, that's 21st.
Yeah, and go back to radar real quick, please, while he's talking. So here it is. So here's the circulation now. So it's sitting pretty much just right along 11th Street and then 244. And so it's, JD, it should be just to your south-southeast basically right now. And so that's on 244 paralleling along right in this zone. So we're going to get some strong damaging winds coming in on the west or southwest right in here. And then also to the north, you're going to have some strong winds, but the worst right now would be 244 from Pine extending back to 21st Street south. And so this is the most likely location at this particular moment where we could have a tornado. And right now, tornado, and it's been confirmed, or at least Sawyer just mentioned that. So a tornado right around the East Admiral area and extending now from 193rd East Avenue. So now 145th East Avenue, you're back behind it. If you're to the advance of it, that'd be 193rd East Avenue, and then extending back on over along the county line, the Creek Turnpike. You can see right here's the Creek Turnpike that you'll take and head on off on I-44. And so this is why we want you to be very much aware. Tornado likely on the ground right now along the areas of 244, and that runs basically, we could go as far, a little bit further than Pine Street on the north side, but this is rapidly rotating area right in here that is picked up. And so we're on 193rd East Avenue at this particular moment. And if you are along this area into
right behind me,
anywhere from the center parts of Catoosa and maybe even the north side of Catoosa back to the south to around 21st Street South, you need to take cover right now. So just make sure you move to an interior room, and we'll continue to track what's going on here. JD, have another update for us? JD, if you're there, can you give me an update real quick on what you have?
Yeah, just very heavy rain. It's hard to maneuver here very quickly due to the bonding inside the hydroplane here. But there's a lot of traffic. I'll tell you, a lot of traffic going westbound, driving right into this thing. I don't know which side of the interstate it's on here, but there's a lot of traffic going that way. I'm going past the Hard Rock Casino right now, so you might give me some brakes on where this. I'm getting hit with some really strong winds again.
Okay, give me the radar. What? JD, I don't hear. JD, it should be right. It should be right to your south and to your west. Literally, just right to your immediately right in your area. Can you hear me? Do you have him right now, Sawyer? Okay. JD, it should be just right in your immediate vicinity, just on your south and southwest sides coming across the areas now. So this gives you a pretty good idea of where this is located right now. And so this is continuing to track to the northeast. Let's go back to velocity data, if we could, from INX and get another update from that. And okay, and then from our radar site. Okay, so now it's right on, JD, it should be right on top of you. at this particular moment? Does he have strong winds out of the west, or is it variable, Sawyer? Kind of hard to hear.
Direction.
Go ahead.
I won't say too overly impressive, though. I mean, these winds are probably around 50 miles an hour. Nothing too crazy. I do see some headlights behind me, so directly behind me. It's not quite on my heels as of right now. I'm coming up on the Creek Turnpike here, so just to let you know where I'm at in relationship to that.
Radar 2.